Gang, I'm sorry that I can't be there today. I'm just going to show you a short lesson of the distributive property. So, distributive property, when we have a number next to parentheses like this here, it means multiplication. So we are multiplying, and because there's two things inside there, we have to multiply this times both of them. So we're going to take the 5 and multiply it by the x. And then we're going to subtract the 5 multiplied by 3. So then we simplify that to 5x minus 5 times 3 is 15. So next one, example 2, we have a 7 multiplied by 4y minus 1. And again, we have to distribute. This is called distributing. So I like to, when I do this, I like to draw a distribute arrow, so to speak. And you can skip if you want. You can skip this step and do that in your head. That's usually what I do. But just in case for some of you who may not still be understanding it, I'll go ahead and do that second step again. So we'll take 7 times 4y minus 7 times 1. And again, this sign here determines this sign here. We just keep whatever sign that is. And then we want to simplify. And that would be 28y minus 7. And then on the next one, number 3, again, we're going to need to distribute. Okay, give you a minute or so to do the you try. Feel free to fast forward if you need to on this. Okay, so we're going to take 6x times 2x and 6x times negative 7. So we get 6x times 2x minus 6x times 7 which simplifies to 12x squared minus 42x. And again, x times x is x squared. X times x is x squared, and then minus 42x. Okay, on to the last example. Okay, so now we've got two different parts. So we've got this 8 and then the plus 4 times 4p plus 3. This, remember, means multiplication, so we have to do the multiplication first. It comes before addition in order of operations. So we are going to distribute that 4 to the 4p, multiply the 4 times 4p, and multiply 4 times 3 first. So we get 8 plus 4 times 4p is 16p, and then 4 times 3 is 12. And now we need to add our like terms. So we've got a like term here with the 8 and the 12, and that equals 16p plus 20. We like to put our variable first. This is called standard form, where we have the variable, and if we have more than one variable, it's the highest exponents first down to the lowest. It's descending order. We'll talk about more about that later on. So the next one, again, we've got this -3 and then times all of this here. So that multiplication comes first. So we get 7x. However, on this one, this is a negative or a minus. So I'm going to change it to plus a negative. This is a really common mistake students make. They don't distribute the -3. So what we want to do is we want to take -3 times 9x and -3 times -5. So we get -3 times 9x is -27x, and -3 times -5 is positive 15. So adding our like terms, we get these two are like terms, 7x and -27x. And this gives us -20x plus 15. So again, really common mistake on this one. The students forget to distribute this negative. They'll distribute it to the first one, and then they'll forget to distribute it to the next one. So -3 times -5 gives us positive 15. Okay, last slide. So this one, we've got, again, we've got a multiplication that comes first here, and it's in the middle. So we're going to multiply that out. We're going to distribute the -3 to both of those terms there. So we get 4x minus 3 times 6 is 18x, sorry, 6x. And then -3 times 12 is -36. Again, if you want to, you can change that to plus a negative. So you're really distributing the -3 on both of those. And then -9, add our like terms. We have two sets of like terms. And this adds to -14x minus 45. Last one, we're going to distribute right away, here and here. We get -28x plus 20, 12x minus 48, adding our like terms, -28x, 12x, 20, and -48. We get -16x minus 28. And that's it. Have a great day. See you soon.